this is pretty cool. We're on the 5th floor right now, and we're over the pool, and it looks really cool out here. It's a beautiful day. Hopefully the weather stays like this and it doesn't get too hot, because I have a feeling it's gonna warm up in the next few days. But I can't wait to do some exploring, see some animals, go to Animal Kingdom, and let's just have fun. All right, so this is a room at Animal Kingdom Lodge, Savannah View. There's an adjoining door if you have some more people in your party to share with. And then we have, oh, they have like a little wardrobe closet area here with a steamer. That's nice. You have the bathroom, the 2 vanities. That's pretty cool. A makeup mirror. Okay, wow, that's a pretty big mirror. And they have the makeup mirror along with the 2 vanities. So that's pretty cool. Artwork. Hakuna Matata. And here's the bathroom. It's shower only, so no bathtubs, which is fine. It's very African themed because, of course, we're at Jumbo House. And there's the R and there's USB ports. USB ports are a must. So they have these really cool lights by the bed. I guess for reading, or if staying up and somebody else wants to sleep, you have your own little personalized light. All right, it has a pretty large TV. And look, there's even more USB ports. Cool art on the wall. And you, of course, you have your drawers. Then you have your little chair and table. All right, but here's the best part about this room. Let's go outside. I love the layout of this because it looks like everybody can get their own view of how the rooms are set up. So you have the savannah all out here and it actually circles around so the animals roam back and forth wherever they want. It's really cool.
Look at all the animals. How cool is that? You ever think your backyard would look like this? No?
So we're in the lobby at a Disney resort at Animal Kingdom Lodge, Jumbo House. And you think the girls would be out looking at the animals? Nope. Guess where they are?
TV. And chairs.
And chairs, yeah. They found rocking chairs and Mickey cartoons, so they're set. But look at this place. Isn't it gorgeous? So this is pretty cool.
This is our hotel?
This is our hotel.
Whoa. This is crazy. It just goes on. When does it stop?
I don't know. It wraps around really far. And the cool part is there's animals out there too. What do you think of this hotel?
You like it?
I love it.
That was cool, seeing the animals and seeing that our room is like right next to them all. So wake up in the morning, go look at animals. Before you go to bed, go look at the animals. You think animals are gonna sleep at night, Briar?
Are you gonna be able to sleep at night knowing there's animals out there?
Probably not.
All right, so that's our hotel with our hotel room with the animals.
Yes, I want to stay a few more days. I don't think we spent enough time.
I know,
I
right?
didn't get enough pool time or in the restaurant time. So I think we need to come back here again.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Come back here. You like it?
Oh, yeah.
It is quiet too.
It is quiet. We are kind of like, I like where our rooms was. It was kind of quiet. I wasn't sure how it was going to be.
But you had to walk pretty far.
You did. And the animals weren't noisy. They didn't get noisy animals. I guess
No.
that's a good thing.
And it isn't that stinky. Probably because the animals are like here and you're way up here.
Well, they probably clean it every hour.
Mm-hmm.
You thought it was stinky? You
No.
thought it was going to be stinky?
Yeah.
Yeah, like a zoo.
All right, guys. So I hope you watch this video and...
Thanks for watching this week's video. Make sure to subscribe and thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, click here. If you want to subscribe, click here. Click it, click it, click it.